It almost fell out, but yo, this camera's like I dropped my AirPods.
I wake up saying every day's another chance to rock it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's Gift and I am back again with another video. I don't know what the frick I'm doing on my hands, but then I'm just going to go with it. Anyways, so I'm just gonna, you know what, we just gonna do this quick because I really gotta leave. So as you read by the title, today I'm gonna be unboxing two AirPods. We got the real one and we got the fake one. Crazy how when the AirPods first came out, I was like,
who's really gonna buy that? Like, what? That makes no sense. Like, I want people to know that I'm listening to music.
I want my wires. Like, don't talk to me. But then it came out and it became a trend. Not trying to say that I was trying to be in the trend, but it just kind of gave this like business kind of rich flex kind of.
Sorry, I can't hear poor people. What do you drive?
I own a Prius.
Oh my god, so poor.
Thing. I was like, you know what? Let me join this thing. So I got myself AirPods. I ordered the AirPods 2 from eBay because I'm cheap like that. And then just to see something, I was like, you know what? Let me get the fake one. And my face is getting like big, like that kind of stuff. It's gonna be hard. But the first thing you do when you open it, oh shoot, it almost fell out. So the first thing you see when you open it is nada yet. We see this little thingy out. So we're gonna pull this thing out. Oh, it's a fun little crap. So once you take that off, you see the AirPods, which I'm not really like excited because it fell, but oh shoot, okay. So these are the AirPods. Wait, hold up. Correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't like the Apple II have like a light in front?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Okay, so after you see the AirPods, which they freaking gave me the AirPods 1, like what? The light is in the middle. I ordered the AirPods 2. It's supposed to have a light in the front. I spent so much money, but it's cool. It's cool. We're just gonna chill, okay? So yeah, so you have the AirPods. Beautiful. And then they gave me a charger. They gave me, wait, they didn't give me a head. It's okay, it's okay. But they gave me a cord because that thing is always breaking. These are the AirPods. I am so excited to have it. We're just gonna, I think we're gonna connect it now. So freaking tiny and so cute. Oh my god. These are freaking $100+. Like, it's crazy. But oh, I heard that. I heard that like that. Like it's on, you know. Ooh, flexing already. I have it in my ears. I feel so freaking rich. It pops up. Swimming. Okay, it's not swimming. Okay, hold on. Let me. It's taking forever. Okay, so now we're just gonna go to music. Oh, I named it Ma's AirPods. Now we're just gonna put it loud. But these are amazing. These two little things, these two little gadgets are freaking amazing, okay? Now we have the i12 TWS. It says auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect. They made a freaking mistake. Isn't it lid? Not lip. Open the lip and connect automatically. Okay. First thing you see when you open it is, oh, I thought it was blue for a second. I was like, wait, what? Somehow wrapped up. Oh, this is really light. This is like, the fake one is like really light. The real one is heavy, which is cool. Okay, so this is the front of them, and this is the back. Now we're just gonna open it. Okay. So now we're gonna take it out. Bro, what? It's lighting up. Yo, it's freaking lighting up. Very cool. Okay, now we got this one is also lighting up. You take that plastic thingy out and ooh, you get like a charger, a manual. We're just gonna open it. Wait, this freaking, oh, it lights up when you press it. Okay, I don't know what to do, but they kind of like look alike, but this is definitely bigger and it lights up, like, you know, but I will give you guys a closer look later. That's great. Ballerina, I didn't actually sound it. I don't know if that's it says connected right here. Okay, so now it's like really low. I don't know why it's so low. One touch means pause or play. So 3 is switch the music, which is so cool. It's not blinking anymore. Get it from me, yeah. Yo, y'all can never tell the difference. It's really sensitive. Y'all see that? The volume is going down each time. The i12, okay? So it can... Okay, so with the i12s, you can basically do everything that's listed on this list, which is incredibly cool. So these are the real ones. These are the fake ones. So these are the fake ones. And then these are the real ones. Cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried my best. So yeah. So I've not filmed it in a long time, so this is like really awkward. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay. Forgot how to turn this thing off too.